Welcome back to Traje. So this is day 2. Yeah, this is what we managed to do yesterday. Yeah, I managed to create this hole where the tappets will be joining from. Yeah, so these are the holes. These are the holes where the two tubes will be connected from. Then rather this side will also be connected from this side and this side. This is for the piston, for the second piston. Yes, I'm sure by the end of the week I would have shown you some other results.